Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again for Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn. It's Ram Power Days. You got to come and see me for a great deal on this great truck. This thing has front sensors. It even has rear sensors in the back, 20-inch wheels. It's even got alloys and four-wheel disc anti-lock, and it's got a Hemi. This has power driver's seat, including lumbar. It's got power mirrors, automatic headlight on and off system. It's got an 8.4 screen with a backup camera, and it's got navigation. It's only got 11,762 miles on it. Great cloth interior. It's got room for 6, power sliding rear window. As you can see, folks, this is deep cherry red in color. As you can see, the dual exhaust, it's a 2-wheel drive. It's got a trailer hitch on the back, 4 and 7 prong connectors. It's got a camera, as you can see. It's a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax, and it will be a certified vehicle. Folks, you got to call me on Ram Power Days for a great deal on this truck. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You'll only find this truck at Firkins.